Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I'll be showing you how I did these twists. Oh darling, I'm in love. I'm so in love with this twist, so I'll be showing you how to do them using the crochet method. It's nothing different from how you do other crochet styles that I've posted on my channel. So I'm only gonna show you just one strand, how to do it once, because I already done it. I've already had this for 9 days now, yeah, over a week. So I'll just show you how to do just one, and then you're getting into everything else is it will be simple. Go and do it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we don't know when will that be, but see ya. I had freshly washed my hair, and these are the products you're gonna need to achieve this look. I used the Native Child Gel Styler to slick down my hair, the Inuga hair food to moisturize my hair. You're going to need a red tail comb to do your parts, an afro comb to detangle, and a leave-in conditioner to moisten or soften your hair as you detangle. Then you're going to need some hair art, and last but not least, 3 packs of the Sublime hair. So the first thing you do is braid your hair down 4 or 5 times, as loosely or tightly as you want. Then you're going to take 2 pieces of the hair and make sure that they're twisting on the same sides. Then you're going to take your crochet needle, push it through the braid, hook in the synthetic hair, and then pull it through the braid. Then you're going to pull one half of the 2 pieces to the other side, and then you have 2 equal pieces. Then you start twisting your hair with the synthetic hair. I combined my hair with one side of the twist and then split my hair along the way, as you can see. As you braid down, make sure to slick in your hair with the synthetic hair using your gel. And that is basically it. You repeat the same process with all your parts, and that's how you achieve this look.